welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I am so excited, as you can see from the description. Today we finally have our GlobeIn add-ons. I am so excited. So just a few days ago, I did post my unboxing of my May 2019 GlobeIn Artisan Box, and I did have one add-on that was another actual box. But now we have the rest of the goodies, so I am so excited to share with you. And I honestly don't remember everything that I added on because it's been a while. But first, before we get into that, again, I want to say welcome. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. I do hope that you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We do have a lot of upcoming giveaways coming up, which are going to be fantastic. So if you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our YouTube family. We would love to have you. As always, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts. And also, just to remind you guys, GlobeIn, the subscription is amazing. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up and go ahead and try and get their June box because it does sell out very fast. And I will link the video up above here for you of my unboxing, and both of the boxes that I unboxed you can actually select for June. So if you like either of those or you want to go ahead and check out a different one, that link below will get it for you, get you your first month for only $10. No shipping, no nothing, just $10 and it's yours. So let's get into this box. I'm so excited. So this big old box. So let me get to my box cutter. Tomorrow is Friday, y'all. Yay! Christopher is actually still in school. I know so many kids have gotten out. He's still in because Hurricane Florence, when it came through here, they missed like 3.5 weeks of school because it was, it was so bad. So they actually tacked on a week to the end of the school year. So he has 1 week left. Today is Thursday. He gets out next Thursday, and it is a half day. So yay for less than 1 week of school to go, because this mama would like to sleep in a little bit. I'll probably still be up by like 7, but it's better than 5:30 or 6. All right, so everything is packaged very, very well, and that is one thing I really do like and appreciate. They take care of their items. It's like a packing slip. It is. Does it tell me the price? Does it tell me? It does not. All right. Because some of these items, you guys, the add-ons are discounted, which is fantastic, and you just can get some amazing deals. So let's just get in here. We'll start with this first item. Actually, what I am going to do is I am going to be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So what I went ahead and did was go ahead and kind of take everything out of like all this massive bubble wrap, so we weren't here for 15 minutes unpackaging. Now some stuff is still wrapped up, but it is out of the like main heavy duty packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna show you, and I do kind of remember now a couple things. I just don't remember what a couple look like, but because they're still kind of covered. But so we will start with this first thing, because if you have followed me, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love coffee. I love coffee. I drink coffee every day. I love it. It's a must. And I saw this and I thought this was just cute as pie, and I had to have it because I don't have anything like this. And again, I just thought it was so adorable. So I got this beautiful handmade little coffee creamer, little poorer. I just think this, again, was so cute, so precious. Put my coffee creamer in there, especially like when I have, my best friend comes over and we have coffee, or I have coffee with my mom or something. We can just have this sitting there ready to go. And it's just cute and fun and just something that I, again, thought was nice. And I love the fact that it's handmade. And it is ceramic. It is very nice. I love that purpley color. I just think it is so cute. So I definitely had to pick this guy up. Now, let's see. I'm going to kind of stay on the same trend. I think the next, we have a couple of items that are the same. So I have 2 items here that I think match, if I remember correctly. And if you happen to watch the Never Have I Ever live stream that I did, you would have seen that I had this gorgeous, gorgeous wine glass that I was drinking out of that night. And it like was a regular wine glass, like stem and everything, and it was just so gorgeous. So when I saw that they had for May the add-ons of that wine glass, but in stemless, I had to pick it up. Is that not beautiful? And look, you can see how thick the rim is. Like, these are so beautiful, feel so great. They're sturdy. These are handmade in Mexico, and I just think they are gorgeous. Pretty sure I ordered 2. Yes, I did. So I have a set of 2 of the stemless, and I love how they're not exactly the same because they are each handmade. So they're all going to be a little bit different, but excuse me, I apologize, but still equally beautiful. So cheers. Ooh, that was a loud cheers. But yes, I'm so excited to have those and add those to my collection. So, and then next, I saw these and thought these were super cute. And now, okay, I remember thinking they were cute, but I didn't remember what they looked like. Because it's been like a month since I ordered, so it's like, I forgot. So let me just actually go ahead and open both of them. But these are 2 of their bowls. And I love bowls. I actually had the most beautiful set of bowls from the Pioneer Woman. And I was going to do something one day, short people problems, and did something with reached up into my cabinet a certain way, and all 4 of my beautiful Pioneer Woman bowls fell. 1 survived, the other 3 did not. I have other bowls, that go with like our actual set of dishes and things. And then we do have a bowl, like a Reese's bowl that we got in Vegas for Christopher. But anyway, I'm rambling. These bowls were just super adorable and simple and beautiful. And I picked these up. These, again, are ceramic. Don't want to be too loud in your ear. And made in Tunisia. So these are, I just thought, really, really beautiful. And they're good size bowls. So these are like perfect for Christopher to have cereal, salad bowls. My husband and I, we make salads a lot. So salad bowls, probably what these actually end up being used for. So I just thought they were beautiful. And the blue, I'm so excited. Like, I just love these. So I picked those 2 up. All right. So as far as like dishes or things like that, that is that. And then this I saw, you guys. Again, if you follow me, you've probably heard me say that I love owls. And funny as it is, my very first GlobeIn box that I chose, the theme was unwind, and it came with these awesome colored pencils, like handmade colored pencils, and like a little journal. It came with that beautiful wine glass, and then it came with what showed in the picture like a peacock hand-carved wooden eyeglass holder. I didn't get the peacock, I got an owl, so I was actually really excited. But anyway, again, that was in my first box. And then they had this as an add-on. This is a felt planner, and it's an owl. Now, looking at it, it does say, you can see right there, it does say owl, but it almost kind of does look like a kitty cat at the same time. So it's like an owl cat. But I just think this is super cute, and I will definitely find a cute little plant to put in here and set somewhere in my living room, probably. I think I know exactly where on which end table to put this, but I thought this was so adorable. And this, again, all of their items are fair trade, which I really love. And this is, tell me where it's from? Nepal. So this was handmade in Nepal. Is that not beautiful and just so like cute? I just can't wait. So, okay, we have got 3 more items, and I'm really excited about this next one because we deserve little treats every now and then, right? And this sounded really interesting to me because I've never had anything like this. This is a milk chocolate bar, but it's lemon. I mean, I've had, you know, caramel, peanut butter, like crispy, you know, white chocolate. I think I've had like raspberry, but I don't think I've ever had like a milk chocolate lemon type bar. So when I saw this, I was like, that sounds really awesome. And again, this is organic and fair trade. So I wanted to pick this guy up and give this a try, just kind of as a little treat for myself. It says, celebrate spring with sweet lemon and luscious 45% milk chocolate, bright and tart. So I just think, and the packaging is really cute. So yummy. All right, and then the last 2 items kind of go together, or they do go together. They're separate, but I bought them both because they do match. Sorry, I know I keep messing with my hair, and I apologize if that annoys you guys, but I really need to get my roots done, and it annoys me when my hair falls a certain way, and you can really tell I need to get my roots done. So I'm going to be getting them done soon. All right, so the first thing the first thing that caught my attention were these beautiful earrings. Are these not gorgeous? Like, you look behind the gold, just this, they're so beautiful. These are handmade in India. It's non-toxic metals. Non-toxic metals. It says fair trade, sustainable, and funds community development, which I think is fantastic. But are they not gorgeous? I just love these. This is the thing too about GlobeIn, is you don't just get like the really awesome themed box in whichever theme you choose. Because like I said, they do always have 3 to 5 themes to choose from every month. Then you can do add-ons. So the add-ons are really fun. And then the last item I got, and I somehow like tangled up in opening, so forgive me for that, but it is a longer necklace, and it matches the earrings. Like, as far, like the gold part is different, but the blue matches, and it is just so beautiful. And I think with those earrings, it is just the like cutest thing and so fun for summer. And again, this is fair trade. It was made in India, and I am just so excited. But you can see here it has like the longer chain. So this, let me show you side by side so you see. So they do go together. Even though the gold part on the front's a little different, they still match and work together for a look. So those were my add-ons for my GlobeIn May 2019. Like I said, I will put that link down below. Guys, go head over, get yourself a box for $10. You will not be disappointed. You will be hooked, I promise. I was instantly. So let me know what you thought of my add-ons. What was your favorite item that I chose? I don't even know if I could choose a favorite, to be honest. I am really excited about this little guy. I think he is super cute. The jewelry, the lemon chocolate bar, the bowls are cute, the little stem with wine glasses, and then of course the super cute, very pretty purple coffee creamer holder. So again, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for hanging out with me and looking at my add-ons. I do appreciate it. Again, have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.